How to log in into Binance. Hello everybody, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we are going to show you how we can log in into our Binance account using the Binance mobile app. Whether you are a beginner or just need a quick refresher, in this video we have got you covered, so let's just get started. First thing first, if you don't have the Binance app installed yet, go ahead and download it from either the Google Play Store or the Apple App Store, depending upon your device. After that, simply launch it on your device. And after you have successfully installed and open it up, you should see the Binance home screen where you can find this option called I am new to crypto or I am familiar with crypto. Since we are new, and we're just gonna go ahead see your login page. So here you can find this option called login, and here tap on it, and here you need to enter your email or phone number depending on how you register your account, and then type in your password. For example, enter your email, phone number, and password. You can type in your email or phone number there. Otherwise, if you have continued with Google or Telegram, just go on with the process of continuing those. Since I have created my account from Google, I'm going on with the process of Google, and there you go. I have successfully been logged in into my Binance application very easily. You may also follow the same process, and you will be taken straight to your Binance dashboard where you can manage your account, trade, and more. And that is it. Now you're logged in into Binance account. It is very simple. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe for more tips and tutorials. And if you have any questions, drop them in the comments below and I will get back to you. Thanks for watching and happy trading.